Hey, how you doing? This is Sasha Chapman here with Chapman Realty Group with my guy Darren from All Around Home Inspections. We're on location right now at 4300 Pepperbush Drive. Our open house was from 10 to 1, but we had such a big crowd. We're still here at 2:30 and folks are still coming through. So we had a great open house. We had over 20 families come here. This time we had somewhere around 40 different folks. Darren answered a lot of questions. Man, he's a great resource. He's an awesome resource. He answers so many questions for folks. And our open house was sponsored by Domino's. He gave us pizza and All Around Home Inspections. So, 4300 Pepperbush Drive, we're on the market 187. Give me a call. My number is right here on the screen. You can call me at any point in time. And if you're thinking about buying, you need to learn more, you can call.
817-917-2327.
So, we look forward to bringing you more homes on the market. We have a great partnership here, and we look to help you find your home. And if you're thinking about selling a home and you're just interested in what it's worth, give me a call. If you're interested in what you might have to do, give Darren a call. All right. Thank you very much for tuning in with Chapman Realty Group and
All Around Home Inspection.
Yep.
Hey, I appreciate you.
oh,
Thanks,
thank
sir.
you, sir. And thank you, Domino's.